Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Over the course of a few days, I created this natural walking path that leads from the getaway down to the lake, and I made it using materials left over from the excavation of the property. It's basic and simple, but it sure looks nice. So let me show you what went into it. First thing I did was bust out a chainsaw, one with a new, sharp chain, and sliced off a pile of stepping stones. I cut these about 2 inches thick. Any thinner than that, and they'd crack too easily. I cleared my path of leaves and other debris with a rake. After that, I set my stepping stones on the ground, spacing them at an easy walking pace. It took me some shuffling around to get this just right. If you do this yourself, you might have to dig out a bit of soil underneath the stepping stones to get them to sit level and not rock as you walk on them. The wood chipper we used was a small, homeowner-sized unit, and it was easily portable. So we moved the chipper down the path, filling mulch in around the stepping stones as we moved along. We used both deadfall from the woods as well as split logs from felled trees. Once we were done chipping, I raked and swept the wood chips out to expose the stepping stones. So once you get to the end of the path, you need a place to sit, right? So I made this bench using a slab from a big felled oak tree on the property. I made simple concrete forms for the legs using 2x4s and plywood. I filled the forms with concrete, allowing the legs to cure. After that, I removed the legs from the forms and attached the seat using lag screws and concrete anchors. So if you've got some extra trees on your property and some basic logging tools, you can tackle this project yourself. You can make yourself a nice walkway, maybe even a bench where you can sit and plan out your next DIY project. And for more cost-saving landscaping ideas like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.